Hello and welcome back. Oracle Cloud provides several automated customer managed Oracle Cloud service deployment choices. And these choices are actually available under the PaaS umbrella. So if you go to cloud.oracle.com and under PaaS, Data Management Database, you can see all the different kinds of deployment choices that are available to you, which fall under the database cloud services. So what exactly are these? They are Oracle Database Cloud Service or ODCS. Then we have Oracle Database Exadata Cloud Service, especially for the engineered systems. So it's Exadata Cloud Service. Oracle Database Exadata Cloud at Customers. So it's for the customers where they don't want to have the Exadata in the Oracle data center, but they have to have it in their own data center. So you have Exadata Cloud at Customer. Then we have Oracle Database Exadata Express Cloud Service. Then we have Oracle Database Schema Cloud Service. And we shall actually take a look into each of these services. So each of these services has its own pros and cons. And so you need to make a judicious decision based on what these services are offering so that you can make your choice, which actually suits your business the best. Let's take a look into these. Okay. The first one is Oracle Database Cloud Service or ODCS. So Oracle Database Cloud Service offers elastic database services for application development, testing, and prod deployment. So you can actually cover all the different aspects. Then it actually gives you an easy to use web console for user interface or RESTful API to provision and administer the databases. So if you look into this, the Oracle Database Cloud Service is actually available as virtual machines or bare metal servers. The one thing I want to say here is that we are now talking more about OCI or the second generation of cloud. So you have a choice to choose either your virtual machine as your infrastructure or bare metal servers. Okay. Then the the database cloud service provides metered pay-as-you-go or monthly flex. So as we have already seen in the estimator, cost estimator, there are two types of ways you can pay back to Oracle. One is pay-as-you-go, and other is a monthly flex. So we have discussed in detail around that. So with a database cloud service, you have the option to either use on a pay-as-you-go basis or monthly flex. Good news, the database versions that are supported are up to 18C. I believe AWS still doesn't support 18C or 12C R2 if I'm not wrong. So Oracle Database Cloud Service supports 11G, 12C, like 12C R1, R2, and 18C. The database additions that are available are, and we'll look into more detail in the next slide. They are Standard Edition, Enterprise Edition, High Performance, Extreme Performance, and there are different kind of actually features which come with each of these editions. Okay, very important thing. All editions include TDE, that is transparent data encryption. So the main motto of cloud or Oracle Cloud is keeping your data secure. So what they've done is that if you choose any kind of service, or if you choose Oracle Database Cloud Service, then you'll automatically be getting TDE. So you don't have to pay anything extra for TDE or transparent data encryption. So encryption automatically comes with Oracle Cloud Service. So you don't have to pay for it, because if you compare with on-prem databases, you have to pay for your advanced security and to get actually TDE on your databases. Okay, let's take a further look into more details around this. As I said, Oracle Database Cloud Service comes in two variants. One is VM and other is BM. So VM is virtual machines and BM is bare metal servers. So what are VM based systems? Each of these systems come with its own pros and cons. So let's take a look. Okay, with VM based systems or virtual machine based systems, the selected edition cannot be changed. So if you have built your VM on one database edition, you can't actually change on that VM itself. So all you have to do is you have to like terminate, maybe take a backup, terminate your VM and create a new VM and probably backup and restore onto that VM, onto a new VM. It allows only a single database home. Very important point. So you can't have multiple Oracle homes on your VM based home. So on your VM based system, I would say it only allows a single database home. And single database allowed on VM based system. Again, we are allowed only one Oracle home, and we are actually allowed only one Oracle database. So there's one-to-one mapping between Oracle home and the Oracle database that is running against that Oracle home. And this actually changes in the BM, that is bare metal based systems. It uses cloud block storage instead of local storage. We don't have any kind of local storage in VM based systems. It just uses the block storage. The number of cores in VM-based system can't be changed. Okay, so this fact is actually true as per the status I've quoted below as well. It's up to like till September 2018. On VM-based systems, you are not allowed to change the number of cores. So once you have built a database on VM-based system, you are not allowed to change the number of cores. Now we move on to the bare metal DB systems, or the BM systems. A bare metal server is attached with locally attached NVMe storage. They're very high performance disks, and it is locally attached to the bare metal servers. And bare metal server is something which actually it's a dedicated server which helps to avoid the problem of noisy neighbors. So you're getting the dedicated compute resources for you. It allows multiple database homes, quite a good point, and a comparison with the VM-based systems. Because in VM we have just like one database home, but BM or bare metal allows multiple database homes. So the next is selected edition cannot be changed once built. It is actually quite similar to the VM-based system. So let's say if you have actually already built your bare metal DB system, and whatever edition or database edition that you are running on it, you can't change it. So the only way is that you have to take the backup of your database, terminate this, and create a new bare metal DB system and do some kind of restore on that. Then we move on to each database home supports multiple databases. That's good news, because the virtual machine based systems only allowed one Oracle home, but the bare metal DB systems allows multiple database homes and also multiple databases. So each home can have multiple databases to go with it. And you can go up to maximum 52 CPU cores, which actually makes it a very high performant system. So it's like up to 52 cores of CPU, then you have 768 gigabytes of memory or RAM that is available on these systems, and you get some very good local storage, which is like quite a high performance storage. It is around 51.2 terabytes NVMe local storage that you get with these bare metals based systems. Okay, then we move on to the Oracle Database Cloud Service Packages. As you might know that with on-prem, we normally know of something like Standard Edition or Enterprise Edition. But with cloud, you actually get lots of different packages. And these are Standard Package, which gives you the Standard Edition 2. The Enterprise Package, which gives you Enterprise Edition. Along with it, you get some further packs like Data Masking and Subsetting Pack. And you also get the Diagnostics and Tuning Pack and RAT, that is Real Application Testing. Then there are two more quite important packages, which are High Performance and Extreme Performance package. So there's a difference between high performance and extreme performance. And the key difference between high performance and extreme performance is that if you are actually looking for RAC or Real Application Clusters, Active Data Guard, then you need to go for the Extreme Performance package. And if you are looking for something like multi-tenancy, partitioning, advanced compression, security, label security, database vault, and other analytics like special graphs and database lifecycle management packs, then you need to go for the high performance package. So the extreme performance package is the most costly one, and it actually covers everything what a Standard Edition would have, Enterprise Edition would have, and a high performance package would have. Along with that, you'll get RAC, in-memory database, and Active Data Guard.